Today I'll show you how to change Google AdSense address. First, open your browser and go to Google AdSense. Sign in with the Google account connected to your AdSense account. Once you are inside your AdSense dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Payments. Then click Payments Info. On the Payments page, look for the Settings section. Here, click Manage Settings. Now find the section called Payments Profile. Under your name and address, look for the small pencil icon or the Edit option. Click on it and you should be able to update your address details. Now enter your new address carefully. Add your street address, city, province or state, postal code, and country if available. Make sure the address is correct and complete. This is very important because Google may use this address for payments, tax information, and identity or address verification. If Google sends you a PIN by mail, it will be sent to the address listed in your AdSense account, so double-check everything before saving. After entering the new address, click Save. Your address should now be updated in your Google AdSense payments profile. One important thing to remember is that changing your address is different from changing your country. In most cases, you can edit your address inside the same country. But if you need to change the country of your AdSense account, Google usually does not allow that directly. So, if you only move to another house or city in the same country, you can update your address from the payment settings. But if you move to a different country, you may need to close your current AdSense account and create a new one with the correct country. Also, after changing your address, check your payment method and tax details. Make sure everything still matches your new information. And that's how you change your Google AdSense address. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.